How to log into Discord. Got your Discord account ready and want to log in? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to log into your Discord step by step. Let's go. First things first, open Discord. Go to www.discord.com and click Open Discord in your browser or launch the Discord app you have just installed. In the top right corner, tap Login. Type in your email or phone number and password you used to sign up. Then hit Login. Forgot your password? Click Forget your password and follow the steps to reset it via email. Bonus tip. On PC, you can also log in using a QR code. Just scan it from your Discord mobile app by going into your profile, then scan QR code. Super fast. And that's how you log into Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.